Good morning, friends. Sheila with Homework Models and Tri-Light Builders here with Copy and Construction, episode 21. Wow, today they have done a lot more work, and yesterday they got a lot of work finished. I'm excited to show you where our progress is. As you can see now, we have siding on all of the parts of our building. It's so awesome. And the underside of our soffits are done around the outside. And the tongue and groove ceiling of the porch is installed and complete. So beautiful. Oh, sometimes this is the space where you wonder, should I paint it? Should I stain it? But it's beautiful, and it's going to be so exciting when it's all done. So our drywall guys are here. They're with PTS Contracting, another awesome trade partner that we've had. They're in here taping away on the drywall that they've already hung this morning. Their progress, wow, they are quick. So here we have them, but you can see we have drywall, we have a ceiling, we have the beginnings of the skylight in, and the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom looks like it's phase 2. It's so awesome. Friends, thank you so much for joining us again today. I'm Sheila with Homework Models and Tri-Light Builders, Copy and Construction, episode 21. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.